Come on. We'll act excited and see if we can get the puppy going. Puppy! Where are you, buddy? You out here, puppy? Where are you, buddy? You around at all, buddy? That piece of machinery, somebody just threw something at it. Probably a rock went. You hear that again? Could it actually just be creaking? So who knows where the guy would be hiding? I believe some of them could be hiding in there. Hopefully it's doing a good picture for us. There's one barking back over here. Hiding in amongst there and back in there. Way back over there in the center on the other side. Can't see the ones that are behind there. There's probably some right in there. At the little farmhouse, there might be a couple in the trees right around here. And then back in there you get to see some concentrations of them. They've thinned out a little bit. They're a little bit thicker in there earlier because it just has to do with how you're hanging out in certain ways and stuff. And then you get to see more in there, and then you get to see a whole bunch of them up in there. See all those dark clumps? You guys? You see them? Start watching them. Start understanding them. You'll get the answer. He ain't playing with you. You hear him barking there? Are you seeing numbers now? Are you seeing how I'm saying big numbers? If you at all can think that some of those shadows are related to the truth of what I'm saying, then you know there's big numbers. Sorry. Getting a better focus here. Could just be the way of settling for the machine, or we might have got to catch something going through the air there. Let's investigate that. I was close to being on the machine. We've already done this today. So there we go. We're still running here. Yep. There's a full zoom, kind of where I'm hanging out, hoping that you get some sneaky guys trying to hide on you. So if you like what you do with these good pictures like this, is you take some zooming of my zooming and see if you can get anything. And like I talk about finger glasses. You know, fingers in the shapes of different kinds of sticks across your face, just for a camouflage. Doesn't have to be a leaf or a stick. It can actually be fingers, and that's a very heavy case of something they do use. So that's cool. Peace out from the Tinman. Hope you're enjoying.